Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm sharing with you guys my December bullet journal spread. I have had this bullet journal since the beginning of 2018 and honestly I only used it the first month. I really like how it's so unique to you and customizable, and I think they're really fun videos to watch on YouTube, but they are very time consuming. But I thought I would show you guys what I did for my December spread and like show you the pages, but also show you guys like time lapses of me doing it because I love watching these videos. I think they're so entertaining. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you guys use a bullet journal or what kind of planner you guys use, because I would love to know. But let's just get into it. So the first page I have is my December spread, I guess. Like that's just like the December page, like where you like write what month it is. So I just drew these cute little penguins. They're kind of holding hands. They have little hats on and I have a little heart balloon. I just thought it was super cute. And then on the page next to it, I just put like the monthly layout of December, and I put my goals to do, and I wrote Vlogmas and 80-day obsession because I have been doing the 80-day obsession workout plan and I am hopefully counting on doing Vlogmas. I've been trying to do daily videos the best I can at the moment. And then I just drew like some little Christmas lights and I added a like candy cane border around the pages, which I just think looks so cute when it's closed up and everything. And then the next page I have is gift ideas. I did get a lot of inspiration off Pinterest, so I just wrote gift ideas and then I drew these little presents and they have little tags. So ideally I'm going to be writing like name I'm buying the gift and then write in the little present like what gift I got them. So like for example, I'll put like my brother's name in here and then write down what I got him for Christmas just to keep track of it and everything. And then this page literally is just like a bunch of doodles. I just thought it was so cute and I have been obsessed with penguins lately. So that is just like a fun little doodle page of watercolors and cartoons. Then the next page is my Christmas countdown. So every day I will cross out the box until the Christmas tree is all colored in, and I'm super excited. I love doing little countdowns and everything, and I'm so excited for the holidays. Then on the page next to it, I still haven't filled it out, but I just wrote holiday bucket list 2018, and I put like washi tape right here. But I'm just gonna write down everything that I want to do in this next month. I have so many things that I want to do, like movies I want to see and everything. And then the next page, I just wrote quotes in it, and I used a Crayola marker. There's two different shades of red, and I'm just going to write down any quotes that I find from this upcoming month that have really inspired me, because if you guys have been following me for a while, I love quotes and I love sharing them, but I always forget like what quotes I really like. It's just going to be nice to have a spot to jot them down when I come across them. And then the next page is my Christmas plans. So I was just kind of thinking of this as like December as well. So I have my to-do list, I have a little spot for video ideas, and then I also have where to go. And when I wrote where to go, I was thinking of like photo shoot locations and everything, so I added a little penguin like taking a picture. I just did like some little ornaments and a little Christmas tree. I seriously thought it was so cute, and it was so much fun because I haven't used water paints for so long, so it was like all coming back to me as I was doing these. And the next page is my monthly spread. These boxes are 6x6 points, if that helps if you guys are into bullet journaling. So I just wrote December across the top. I drew like a little holly. I put some washi tape snowflakes down the side just to make it look festive. And then this is when I started going more towards a like blue color scheme. And then I just have these little penguins on the bottom. I'm like literally obsessed with penguins right now. And the next page is going to be the start of my daily or weekly spreads. So on Saturday and Sunday is where I write the most stuff down. So I have my first day of December, which is Saturday, and I do this cute little penguin guy, and then it's Sunday. I will have this whole page to write my to-do list, my plans, stuff I have to get done, because usually in big planners they put Saturday and Sunday onto the same page, which is fine. I understand if you work like Monday through Friday, you don't really have much stuff to do on Saturday and Sunday, but Saturday and Sunday are my busiest days of the week. And then I just did a weekly spread that looks like this. So it has the blue washi tape on the top, a little bit of water paint, and I just did these simple ink Christmas trees, and then each day has like its own little column. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't really have that much stuff to write down on the weekday like compared to the weekends, so I'm just going to keep doing this over and over. but I really want to try and do a Grinch movie theme spread, so I might do that in an upcoming vlog or something. But that is just a little flip through of my bullet journal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know what kind of planner you guys use down below, because I would love to know and check them out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!